agenda tonight after what happened in September in Camp Nou. At right back where Dani Alves used to be. Rakitic, Busquets, and the Portuguese European Championship winner.
Gomez gets in Barcelona, arm possession of the ball in their own third of the field.
Sergio Bosquets.
Needlessly there, I mean, they're defending deep. They've just got Dembele as the lone striker, and they've got Messi's coming in field and leaving that space for Roberto to get forward.
That was Scott Brown going in to make his point. And Sergio Busquets was not particularly happy with the nature of the challenge, and he didn't win the ball. And back from Busquets to Piqué. Busquets looking for Messi.
She's moving, though, absolutely terrific. Great ball from Busquets. I think he said it might have been far easier for Messi to control it, but great ball just here. Goes with his left instead. He's
Busquets up to Piqué. Piqué, Messi. Piqué and Jordi Alba. Ter Stegen calm, but he's given it away to Sinclair.
Celtic, when they can, are putting Barcelona under pressure at the right time.
And Busquets. Messi. Not such impressive delivery by Neymar. Celtic haven't quite cleared it.
Lovely movement off the ball there from Messi, and he was in behind him, and Sviatchenko respond to going a goal behind him. Can't afford to.
Getting the booze now. Back to Busquets. And Piqué. Rakitic. Piqué. Busquets. Dismissing Armstrong. Off it goes then to Sviatchenko gets it away. Dembele can't control it under pressure from Mascherano. It's Busquets.
Great goal. Beautiful, wonderful build-up play from Barcelona. One ending should have been 2-0 into the other. There was a real
Looking and has given Celtic the free kick. It's given Brendan Rodgers the opportunity. Busquets caught in possession, but Rogic couldn't make the most of it. Busquets.
Luis Suarez has the first kick of Forest. Easily dispossessed by Busquets. Messi puts it straight. Busquets. Busquets strolling his way through a game, as he does every game. Now it's 26 appearances for the club since signing from Fulham. Bitten. Brown. Dembele. Dembele slipped. Just a suggestion that he... A little push from Sergio Bosquets. There is a claim there for... Intercepted by Sergio Roberto.